Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we can close the windows in your workspace at Photopea. First things first, as you probably thought, we have to go to photopea.com and basically focus on the windows we want to close or add. I showed you how you can add a windows in previous videos, and right now I'll show you how you can get rid of the windows that basically are just using your screen space. So let's say you want actions in here. So we actually used this button actions, but it's not doing us any good, and we want to just get rid of it because it's basically taking up space for maybe something more useful for us. So what we want to do, we want to actually click on the right click on your mouse on the icon and click on close, and then it's out. Basically you see it's not scratched in, and also it doesn't behave like a natural Google Chrome tab. So when you right click anywhere, you won't trigger the usual options, like when you're going in here and you want to save a couple of stuff like inspect, view page source and stuff like that. So it's actually working pretty neat, same as at Photoshop. So thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one.